All right, so in the last video we finished this stuff on the page, integrating checkout. Now we're at step 1, embed checkout. To get started, add the following code to your page. It's a standard HTML form. The method is post. The action, it doesn't mention any script in there. And inside the form, there is a script tag right here. And there's the closing script tag. Inside the script tag, there is src equals this, class equals this, data key equals this, data amount equals this, data name equals this, and data description equals this, and data image equals this. And this greater than sign is basically closing this script tag. And then there's a closing script HTML tag. The key thing to notice is the data key, and that's right here. And its value is right there. The key thing to notice is the data key attribute we added on the script tag. So data key is an attribute for the script tag, which identifies your website when communicating with Stripe. Note that we've pre-filled the example with your test publishable API key. Remember to replace the test key with your live key in production. You can get all your keys from your account page, or you can go and find out about live mode and testing mode. Okay, I added that code to index.html. I can show you right there. Open recent, index.html. There it is. I added the code and I uploaded it using Git to my production environment. Okay, so now it's time to test it. Let's go to the home page of my production environment. There it is, and there is a pay with card. Let me click on the pay with card. It remembers my information, and I can go ahead and just, well, there seems to be something missing here. No, the widget. Okay. All right, so I'll hit, I shouldn't skip to what I'm supposed to do now. All right, let me just see what the next step is going to be. An alternative to the blue button demonstrated above is the use of your own custom button with our JavaScript API. This allows you to use any HTML element or JavaScript event to open the payment overlay, as well as being able to specify dynamic arguments such as custom amounts. Read more about checkout's reference. Step 2. Sending tokens to your server. Your life becomes easier if sensitive cardholder data does not hit your servers. You can let us take care of the hardest parts of PCI compliance, like redacting logs and encrypting cardholder details. You should still support HTTPS on your website. With checkout, you never have to handle sensitive card data. It's automatically converted to a token, which you can safely send to your servers and use to charge your customers. In other words, the card isn't charged on the client side, we send a token representing the card data to your server, which you can then charge. By placing the script tag inside a form, a hidden input called strip token will be appended to the form when a token is created. When a customer of yours enters their card information, the hidden field containing the token will be appended to the form, and then the form will be automatically submitted to your server. The enclosing form can, of course, contain other inputs. The next step is using the strip token parameter on the server side to charge the card. Next up, once you've sent your form to your server, you're going to want to do something with the payment details you just collected. This is usually one of two things: charge your customer immediately or sign them up for a subscription. I am going to be charging my customer immediately.